last but not least, as we conclude the khutbah, my brothers and sisters, I want to remind you again on this verse. We mentioned it 2 weeks ago or 1 week ago on verse 184 of Surah Baqarah, in which Allah speaks of fasting, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says about the fidya, fidyatun ta'amum miskin. When he speaks about if you are sick and you cannot fast and you don't have the ability to fast and you have some consequences and complication, the better thing to do is make up your fast after. But if not, you have the ability, and there's a long whole complication. I don't want to get into the long details. You could go on YouTube and check it out. He says, give a fidya, feed a fasting person. You cannot fast for 2-3 days. We're sick, or we can't fast for the whole month because of sickness or weakness or some physical complication, medical, physical, biological, whatever. Feed a fasting person. Feed a fasting person. An average meal is really about $5. And I mean, I don't know the size of meal. What meal you eat, Brother Amin? You eat a $10 meal? Some people eat $5 meal. You see, that's why I drive through Taco Bell and not Red Lobster. So I go on a $5 meal. So if you go on my average, you feed a fasting person, a poor person, fidyatun ta'amum miskin, for compensation. You get better after Ramadan, you make up for it. Nothing wrong. Might as well do it, because we don't know if we'd live until the end of Ramadan. You feed $5 a meal for Sahri, $5 for Iftar, $10 a day, 30 days, $300, you feed a poor person. I told you already, we have a lot of people in Philippines and other countries that contact us, but especially in the Philippines, there are a couple of masjids I've been to personally, converts people, part of the masjid, everything there, converts, and only converts in that masjid, Filipinos, and we've sponsored days of iftar for them. One day of iftar, they told me, is about $65, $64. So we send it from Alhikmat, and we send for a couple of weeks or days as much as we get the donation towards it. You give a fidya, you can't fast. I'm not telling you give. If you want to give for blessings, mashallah, but you help. The converts, the Muslims, the motivated. It's a way to motivate them. It's a way to get them to be stronger and better Muslims. The Islamic Sharia encourages that you can give zakat to motivate non-Muslims to become Muslims. What about people who are already Muslims, and to keep them in the fold of Islam? So whatever way, contact our Alhikmat Dawah table so we can help these poor people in these countries and these converts. We do it in Africa also. We do it in different places, but I don't have the time for that. But it's just an opportunity. Go check the Quran, verse 184. If you feel better after Ramadan, you could fast. You're a mother having a baby, you're nursing a baby, you're pregnant, you're not well, you cannot fast. You could fast, but you fast if you could fast, you cannot fast. Feed a poor person. MashaAllah, afterwards you make up for the fast when you get healthy, because you don't know if we would live for another Ramadan. All right? Or until Eid Salah. Got to cut. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us. Alhamdulillah.